guys, here we've got DOOGEE V20, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So if your phone is stuck for some unknown reason, the best option is to tap on the power button and just hold it till your device is restarted. So this is the kind of the soft reset. Afterwards your phone would be rebooted and it should work properly. Now you can release the button as only you see DOOGEE logo and just wait until it's turned on. And that's it. As you can see, now you can smoothly use it. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.